Ever go to wash a new shirt only to discover that the labels are a bunch of random symbols that make zero sense? Hey friends, I'm Totorosaurus, and this is the channel for clean freaks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to read laundry symbols and explain the method behind the madness. Let's go! If you're new to my channel, welcome! I post new cleaning videos every week, so consider hitting that subscribe button so we can stay in touch and learn to live a cleaner life together. Okay, so the reason you're all here, what do all these symbols mean? This might seem overwhelming at first, but keep watching until the end. I promise, the further we get into this video, the more patterns you'll start to notice. Alright, now let's get into it. To make better sense of the symbols, let's separate them by category. First up, we'll go through the symbols for your washing machine. This washing tub symbol, that also kind of looks like a crown, means a normal laundry cycle. One line underneath means a little more delicate, so put it on the permanent press setting. Two lines underneath means even more delicate, so put it on either the delicate or gentle cycle, whatever your washing machine lists it as. A hand inside means hand wash, and a giant X means don't put it in the washing machine. Next, let's look at heat settings, which are marked by dots. One dot means wash on cold at 30 degrees Celsius or 85 Fahrenheit. Two dots means warm water at 40 Celsius or 105 Fahrenheit. Three dots is warm to hot water at 50 degrees Celsius or 120 Fahrenheit. And you probably won't see this one much, but 5 dots is for near boiling water at 70 Celsius or 160 Fahrenheit. And finally, let's look at bleach settings, which are marked by triangles. A plain triangle means you can go ahead and bleach. A giant X means, you guessed it, don't bleach. And a triangle with two diagonal lines inside of it means you can bleach as long as it doesn't have chlorine in it. Once your clothes have been cleaned, here's what to look for when it comes to drying instructions. These are all what your square symbols are for. Squares with lines inside of them are your air drying symbols, so let's go over all of those first. 3 vertical lines means drip dry. 2 diagonal lines in an upper corner means dry it in a shady area. 1 horizontal line means lay the item flat, and a curved line at the top means air dry the item. Your squares with circles in them are your tumble dry instructions for your dryer, so let's go over those now. A square with just a circle in it means tumble dry with no heat specification. 1 dot means a normal cycle or low heat. 2 dots means a normal cycle or medium heat setting. You're probably starting to notice that it's getting hotter and hotter as there are more dots. 3 dots means normal or high heat. A filled in circle means tumble dry with no heat or your air dry setting. And a big X means do not put it in the dryer. 1 line underneath your square means your permanent press settings. 1 dot in the circle means permanent press with low heat settings. 2 dots in the circle means permanent press with medium heat. And a filled in circle means permanent press with no heat. 2 lines under the square are for your gentle drying settings. 1 dot means low heat or tumble dry. 2 dots means medium heat or gentle cycle. And a filled in circle means gentle cycle with no heat. Now let's go to ironing. This one you probably figured had something to do with iron because the shape looks like an iron, but maybe got confused by all the dots. But hopefully by now, you'll notice that the more dots you have, the hotter it goes. So, following this pattern, 1 dot means a cold setting at 110 degrees Celsius or 230 Fahrenheit. 2 dots means warm setting, which is 150 Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. 3 dots is your hot setting, which is 200 Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit. 2 small X's underneath merged with 1 big X means don't use steam, and a giant X through the whole thing means don't iron this item. Standalone circles are your dry clean instructions and go something like this. A plain circle means the item can be dry cleaned, a circle with an X means no dry cleaning, and a circle with a letter in it are special instructions for the dry cleaner that everyday folk like you and me aren't allowed to know. And there you have it! We've now covered the most common laundry symbols you're likely to see on your clothing. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like by clicking the thumbs up icon down below. These likes really do go a long way to telling YouTube that people are liking this content, enabling me to make more cleaning videos just for you. And until next time, happy cleaning. Bye!